Want a tank full of happy, colorful guppies? Here's how to build the perfect guppy community. These lively little fish bring a burst of color and personality to any home, but it's our responsibility to provide them with the conditions they need to truly flourish. If you want your guppies to thrive, not just survive, stick around. I'll show you the must-know tips to create a healthy, happy guppy community. Guppies may be small, but they are incredibly active and full of life. Their vibrant colors and playful nature make them a joy to watch, but this also means they need ample space to thrive. Cramping these energetic fish into a tiny tank would be like asking a cheetah to be content in a cramped cage. It simply wouldn't allow them to express their natural behaviors. Just as a cheetah needs room to run, guppies need space to swim and explore. A 10-gallon tank is the absolute minimum you should consider for a small group of guppies. This size provides a basic environment where they can move around, but it's just the starting point. This will provide them with enough space to swim freely and establish their territory. Guppies are social creatures and enjoy interacting with each other, so space is crucial for their social dynamics. However, for your guppies to truly thrive and reach their full potential, a 20-gallon tank or larger is ideal. This larger space allows for more complex decorations and plants, which can enrich their environment. This is especially important if you plan on breeding guppies, as you'll need ample space to accommodate the inevitable fry. A larger tank can help reduce stress and aggression among the fish, providing a safer environment for the young. Remember, a larger tank also dilutes waste products more effectively, leading to a healthier environment overall. This means your guppies will be less exposed to harmful toxins, promoting better health and longevity. This means less frequent water changes for you and a cleaner, more stable habitat for your guppies. Regular maintenance becomes easier, and the water parameters remain more consistent. When choosing your tank, consider its footprint and height. The dimensions of the tank can affect how your guppies interact with their environment. A longer tank provides more horizontal swimming space, which is ideal for guppies. They prefer to swim back and forth rather than up and down, so a tank with more length is beneficial. Don't forget to factor in the space needed for essential equipment like filters and heaters. These items are crucial for maintaining a healthy environment, and they take up space within the tank. Additionally, adding plants and decorations not only beautifies the tank but also provides hiding spots and reduces stress for your guppies. A well-decorated tank can mimic their natural habitat, making them feel more at home. Imagine a lush underwater garden filled with vibrant plants swaying gently in the current. This serene environment is not just visually appealing but also crucial for the well-being of your guppies. This is the kind of environment your guppies will love. Guppies are naturally curious and active fish, and a well-planted tank provides them with plenty of opportunities to explore and hide. A well-planted tank not only provides visual appeal but also offers essential hiding places for your guppies, reducing stress and encouraging natural behaviors. Plants like Java fern, Amazon sword, and Anubias are excellent choices. Choose plants like Java fern, Amazon sword, and Anubias, as they are hardy and thrive in guppy-friendly water conditions. These plants not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your tank, but also contribute to the overall health of the ecosystem. Speaking of water, maintaining the correct parameters is crucial for your guppies' health. Water quality directly impacts their well-being, so it's essential to keep a close eye on it. Guppies prefer a temperature range of 74 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. This range mimics their natural habitat and helps them thrive. Invest in a reliable heater and thermometer to ensure a stable temperature. Fluctuations in temperature can cause stress and make your guppies more susceptible to diseases. The pH level should be slightly alkaline, ideally between 7.0 and 7.8. This pH range is optimal for guppies and helps maintain their vibrant colors and active behavior. Regular water testing kits can help you monitor these levels and make adjustments as needed. Consistent monitoring ensures that your guppies live in a stable and healthy environment. Finally, gentle filtration is essential for maintaining water quality. A good filter will keep the water clean without creating too much current. Choose a filter that is appropriately sized for your tank and doesn't create excessive current, as guppies prefer calmer waters. A gentle flow will keep them happy and healthy, allowing them to swim freely and exhibit their natural behaviors. Just like us, guppies thrive on a varied and balanced diet. While high-quality flake food can form the staple of their diet, it's essential to supplement it with live or frozen foods for added nutrition and to enhance their natural colors. Live or frozen brine shrimp, daphnia and bloodworms are excellent choices. These treats are packed with protein and essential nutrients, promoting healthy growth and vibrant coloration. Feeding should occur once or twice a day, and only offer what your guppies can consume within a couple of minutes. Overfeeding can lead to water quality issues, so it's best to err on the side of caution. Remember, a well-fed guppy is a happy and active guppy. Chapter 4. Good Neighbors Tank Mates for your guppy community. Guppies are generally peaceful fish, but that doesn't mean they'll get along with just anyone. Choosing the right tank mates is crucial for maintaining a harmonious community tank. Avoid aggressive or fin-nipping species like tiger barbs, as they can stress or even injure your guppies. Instead, opt for other peaceful species that share similar water parameter requirements. Neon tetras with their shimmering colors make a stunning addition to any guppy tank. Their peaceful nature and similar size make them ideal companions. Mollies, another live bearer like guppies, can also coexist peacefully. Choose smaller molly varieties to avoid overcrowding. Corydoras catfish are another excellent choice. These bottom-dwelling fish are peaceful and help keep the tank clean by scavenging for leftover food. Chapter 5. The Guppy Baby Boom, Managing Breeding and Population Control. Guppies are prolific breeders, known for their ability to reproduce at an astonishing rate. If left unchecked, your tank can quickly become overrun with fry, leading to a host of problems. While a few baby guppies can be a delightful surprise, a population explosion can lead to overcrowding and stress for everyone. Overcrowded tanks can result in poor water quality, increased aggression, and a higher risk of disease. If you don't want to become a guppy grandparent overnight, there are a few strategies you can employ. These methods can help you maintain a balanced and healthy aquarium environment. One option is to maintain a predominantly male tank. Male guppies are less likely to breed, which can significantly reduce the number of fry in your tank. Male guppies are known for their vibrant colors and flowing fins, making for a visually stunning display. This not only helps with population control but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your aquarium. Another approach is to introduce natural predators. Predatory fish can help keep the guppy population in check by preying on the fry. If your tank size and setup allow, a single betta fish or a small group of dwarf gouramis can help manage the guppy population. These fish are known to coexist well with guppies while keeping their numbers under control. However, careful research and consideration are essential before introducing any predator, as compatibility can vary. It's important to ensure that the new fish will not harm your guppies or disrupt the tank's harmony. Regularly monitoring your tank and separating pregnant females into a breeding box can also help manage the population. This allows you to control the number of fry that are born and prevents them from overwhelming the tank. Chapter 6. Guppy SOS: Common Mistakes and How to Avoid Them. Even with the best intentions, mistakes can happen. Let's look at some common pitfalls that can harm your guppies and how to avoid them. Overcrowding is a common mistake. Remember, guppies need their space. A crowded tank leads to stress, disease outbreaks, and poor water quality. Overfeeding is another culprit. Uneaten food decomposes, polluting the water and harming your guppies. Stick to feeding once or twice a day, offering only what they can consume in a few minutes. Infrequent water changes are a recipe for disaster. Regular partial water changes are crucial for removing accumulated toxins and maintaining a healthy environment. Aim for a 25% water change every 1 to 2 weeks. Finally, never underestimate the importance of research. Before adding any fish to your tank, thoroughly research their specific needs and compatibility with guppies. Chapter 7. A Thriving Community: Final Tips and Call to Action. Congratulations! You're well on your way to creating a thriving, colorful guppy community. Remember, observation is key. Spend time watching your guppies. Their behavior can tell you a lot about their well-being. Don't be afraid to ask for help. The aquarium hobby is full of passionate individuals eager to share their knowledge. Join online forums, connect with local aquarium clubs, and never hesitate to seek advice from experienced hobbyists. By following these tips and dedicating yourself to providing the best possible care, you'll be rewarded with a vibrant and captivating underwater world that will bring you joy for years to come. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Guppy Gang for more guppy goodness, and drop a comment below with your guppy questions. Happy fish keeping! And so we leave the bustling world of the guppy tank, a testament to the wonders of adaptation and the delicate balance of life, even in miniature. These vibrant creatures with their boundless energy and captivating social interactions remind us that even in the confines of an aquarium, the marvels of the natural world can thrive. Let us strive to be responsible stewards of these aquatic wonders, providing them with the care and respect they deserve.